as a leadership team, we have to be very open-minded. We have to see beyond our industry to see how other industries work through the challenges, through the successes, and also through their failures. So here we learned the importance of the collaboration, the importance about allowing myself to making failures, but also providing a safe environment to our people so that they can be their truth themselves.
You've got a story and you're gonna sing it. We'll write some lyrics.
We had this music writers experience where I can say they put so much of themselves out there without any recognition or rewards immediately visible to them. They do that because this is who they are. The model is more a leader who can actively listen, who is humble, who can create a safe environment for people to grow. Because through their growth, our company will grow. The speed of change is the only constant that is there. By working out through collaboration, getting their viewpoints and viewpoints from other functions, I hope to be able to create an environment that can improve their performance.